Hello everyone, this is Cooper from BodorWelder. Today I'm going to take you in witnessing how well BodorWelder perform in an extreme high temperature condition. As you can see behind me, this test chamber, the temperature we preset is about 55 degrees Celsius, and our colleague Tony has already get in and he is ready to test. So let's check in how what's going on there. Oh, it's pretty hot. Okay, I already get in this chamber. We can check this current inside the temperature. Okay, as you can see, this thermometer is much more than 40 degrees. It's 57 degrees Celsius. That means we can start the test. Oh, Tony is operating. Let's check. How's it going? Thank you very much, Tony, for doing this. Welding works for us in such an extreme hard working environment. Then let's check these welded work pieces. Just take a look. Each one of them were welded, qualified, very beautiful. Well, we can also pour some water into the Bodor tube. That will help us check how good the weld seal is. Take a close look. There is no any water leak out. The welding results are very good. The reason why BodorWelder 1500 Pro can continue to output stable power in such extreme hot environment is because it has a self-cooling system that can maintain the heat inside the machine at a comfortable and stable value, so it can continue to produce laser to work.
Bodor.